Hi, this is Tom Hassenfritz with the company in Mount Pleasant, Iowa, and we're excited to introduce a brand new product that we think fits a lot of needs for people. It's an affordable, effective, and easily stored stump grinder. Maybe before we start, we need to go over kind of some basic specs. The machine weighs 470 pounds, has a 24-inch by 3/4 grinding wheel. It has 34 carbide teeth that are replaceable. It has its own self-storage stands that easily come up and down for easy storage, with galvanized feet, so you don't have to worry about any kind of rust or anything on them. It has its own chainsaw holder. It does have a storage pin that goes in there so you can take it on and off. This does need to be removed before you actually grind a stump. So we've removed that. We've raised our legs. Just trying to think if there was anything else. Oh, weighs 470 pounds. I think that's important. So with that said, I'm going to let my cinematographer go around and just kind of show you everything, including the slip clutch. And I'll get on the machine and we'll take the stump out. Oh, one thing I did want to mention, and we always go from left to right, the opposite of how you read, because we want to cut in this lower quadrant. And all this is in the owner's manual when you get it, but I thought it was important to mention that. This is a fairly good sized stump. I'm not going to take huge bites. I just kind of want you to see how it works. I think you can see by this demonstration, we've just taken a few quick cuts across this particular stump. This was a dead tree that's had, you know, a couple of years to kind of dry and cure, so it was tough, but we made quick work of it. I think you'll develop your own style with, you know, the depth of cut. You might want to set your, you know, your hydraulic control to a certain depth to do the whole thing. You may want to decide to go just on one side and then move you over and then go all the way to the depth you want. I did neglect to mention that this unit will go 6 inches below ground level, and depending on the wood you can take up to 2 inches per cut. So watching this short video, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at Tom Hassenfritz Equipment Company, Mount Pleasant, Iowa, and we're also known as The Company. Have a website, T.H.E-co.com, and we'd love to have you call 319-385-3114 to talk to any one of our great salespeople. So again, thanks for watching. Hope if you can use this, give us a call and we'll do our best to get it sent to you quickly. Thank you. Bye.